In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an API key on Google AI Studio. This process is relatively straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you should have your API key ready to go within just a few minutes. First, you'll need to head over to the Google AI Studio website. You can do this by opening up your web browser and typing in aistudiogoogle.com. Once the page loads, you'll land on the homepage of Google AI Studio, where all the magic happens. This platform is designed to offer a suite of tools that assist in leveraging AI technologies efficiently. Next, you should look for the option that says Get API Key and click on it. This is an important step as it leads you into the API management section of AI Studio, where you'll be able to generate and manage your keys effectively. These API keys are essential as they allow your applications to interact with Google's various AI services securely. Following that, you'll be directed to the API Keys Management area. Here, you'll notice an option to Create API Key. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter some details about your API key. You'll need to assign a name to your API key and select a project that it will be linked to. The name can be anything descriptive that helps you remember what the API key is used for. Selecting the correct project is crucial here because it ensures that the key has access to the appropriate resources within Google AI Studio. If you don't have a project set up yet, or if you need a new one, don't worry. There's an option for you to create a new project or even import an existing one. This flexibility allows you to organize your keys and projects efficiently according to your needs. Once you've named your key and selected a project, you're ready to actually create the key. Look for the Create Key button and click on it. This action will finalize the creation of your API key, but we're not done just yet. You'll then be presented with a link that, when clicked, will reveal a window containing your newly created API key. Make sure not to skip this step, as accessing the key is essential for later use. Finally, in this window, you'll find an option to Copy Key. Click on it to copy your API key to your clipboard. It's always a good idea to save this key in a secure location, as it's sensitive information that grants access to your projects. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully created and copied an API key in Google AI Studio. With this key, you can now start integrating and utilizing Google's vast array of AI tools and services. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.